This might be a little hard to see, but 4-pack of, they call them chrome wheel nuts, but they're black. I wanted black to accent a little bit. You're going to see here in a second why, and it's going to look sharp. I can't wait to show you. Part number is 711-211, half by 20, and it takes a lot of 4-packs to make 32. It takes a lot. That one looks different, but the part number is the same. I'm hoping it's a match. So they should be the same, but it doesn't actually say half by 20 on it anywhere. So here's hoping. But I can always go back to, I got these at O'Reilly's. They had 2 in stock. They brought 2 from another store, 1 from somewhere else, and shipped 3 in from who knows where else. But we are ready to put the wheels on Wallace the 66. Let's do it, and then we'll do a big reveal. Time out for a refreshing beverage. Sparkling ice. These things are amazing. They should sponsor me. Wouldn't that be awesome? Yeah, I'd love that. Totally missed. Nailed it. And this B-roll segment is brought to you by good old H2O. Stay hydrated, humans.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
So now that you've seen the big reveal of the wheels on Wallace, let's take a step back in time and I'll tell you a little bit about where the wheels came from, how I got them, and that sort of thing. This is what they looked like when I first picked them up. I got these off of somebody locally here, off of a website called Ford Truck Enthusiasts. It's basically an online forum, and it's a community of, ask for help. People who have similar models or are mechanics and just kind of love vehicles will answer questions and such like that. I started sandblasting using this little setup here, but it was literally going to kill my air compressor. Requires a lot of air, and I was just afraid I was going to wear out a really expensive piece of equipment doing something that somebody else could do super fast. So I went to a service here locally. I think I paid $95 to have 5 rims sandblasted. They charge by the hour. I did 5 rims so that we would have one as a spare that both me and Tavish share between us. We'll take a spare with us to different events and that sort of thing, so we'll use this white wheel as a spare. So if you're still watching at this point, you must be a real big fan. I appreciate that immensely. Please like, share, subscribe, do all those things. Love you guys. Really appreciate you watching and following along. Instead of me talking the whole time, let's just roll the footage of the painting process and play some music. be famous on my YouTube channel.
Oh, really? What's the name of your YouTube channel?
DIY Home and Auto.
DIY Home and Auto. I'll have to check it out. There's another guy in here too a couple weeks ago.
But I appreciate you guys following along. Ring that bell, then you won't miss anything new. Check the links down below. As always, that helps support the channel as well. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.